Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within eToro. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in etoro.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official eToro website. Now from the home page, you can proceed with logging into your account by clicking on the login button at the top right corner to end up in the login portal. You can also click on the English button or your active language at the top right corner right before the login button, and you will see various different languages that you can use for your eToro website. Just click on whichever language you wish to use, and then your website language interface will immediately be changed to the one you just selected. If you wish to change this at any time, you can come back to the same menu and choose whichever language you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on eToro. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.